Hey folks, in today's video I want to cover why it's so important to install an agent and extensions when using Steadybit. So once you have joined Steadybit, you're actually greeted by the onboarding, which asks you to install the agent and extensions. Once you have done that, Steadybit is able to discover your system and make it available for chaos engineering. So after that, you're coming to the Steadybit dashboard where you can see all the discovered components or these discovered targets in your system, like for instance, Kubernetes resources, containers, managed cloud services, and so on. You can also explore all your discovered targets in the Explorer, making it really easy to dive deeper into your system and look for a potential next chaos engineering experiment. And if you want a little bit more advice, you can always activate it at the top, getting support from Steadybit and identifying a potential reliability issue, and also helping and suggesting chaos engineering experiments that should be executed. And whenever you are in the experiment capability of Steadybit, you can benefit from the easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor, where you have all the different chaos engineering attacks, load test integration, and checks available at the left-hand side, and you can easily drag and drop them to the right and specify the target based on the discovery data that was collected by the extensions. And whenever you are ready, you can just run the experiment with a single button click. Agent and extensions will connect to the platform and execute your experiment right away. So that being said, please make sure to install an agent and an extension when joining Steadybit. Simply going to the next screen where we provide Helm charts whenever you want to install agent and the extensions in a Kubernetes cluster, as well as a Docker or Linux host one-line script, which can be simply copied and executed in your environment. And if there is any trouble and something is not working out for you, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Happy chaos engineering and take care.